Saint-Malo is a historic walled city on the northern coast of Brittany, France, dramatically set on a rocky peninsula facing the English Channel. Known for its powerful maritime heritage, golden beaches, and imposing ramparts, Saint-Malo combines rugged beauty with a strong sense of history. It is a place shaped by the sea, where tides, storms, and centuries of seafaring tradition have left a lasting mark on both landscape and culture. The heart of the city is the Intramuros, the old town enclosed by massive granite walls. Walking along the ramparts offers sweeping views of the ocean, nearby islands, and the long stretches of sandy beach that surround the city. Inside the walls, narrow cobbled streets are lined with tall stone houses, cafes, and small shops, creating an atmosphere that feels both grand and intimate. Although much of the old town was heavily damaged during the Second World War, it was meticulously rebuilt to match its original appearance. Saint-Malo is famous for its corsairs, or privateers, who were authorized by the French crown to attack enemy ships. These daring sailors brought wealth and prestige to the city during the 17th and 18th centuries. Figures such as Robert Surcouf became legendary, and their legacy is still celebrated in museums and local history. The city's independence and adventurous spirit remain central to its identity. The sea plays a dramatic role in daily life, especially through Saint-Malo's enormous tides, among the highest in Europe. At low tide, vast expanses of sand are revealed, allowing visitors to walk to nearby islets such as Grand Bay, where the writer Chateaubriand is buried. At high tide, waves crash against the walls, reinforcing the city's image as a fortress standing against the ocean. Beyond the historic core, Saint-Malo offers long beaches ideal for swimming, sailing, and windsurfing. The surrounding coast features scenic walking paths and smaller seaside communities, making it a base for exploring Brittany's rugged shoreline. Today, Saint-Malo balances tourism with local life. It remains a working port, a cultural center, and a place of strong Breton identity. With its blend of history, maritime power, and natural drama, Saint-Malo stands as one of France's most striking and characterful coastal cities.